Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of 3D printing, where innovation knows no bounds. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional designer, or an entrepreneur, having the right 3D printer can make all the difference. So, without further ado, let's explore the best 3D printers of 2024. Number 5. Creality K1. The Creality K1 is a testament to 3D printing innovation and precision. The Creality K1 is a powerful tool that combines great print quality, versatility, and user-friendly functionality. It is meant to empower makers, creators, and professionals. The Creality K1's wide build volume allows you to unleash your creativity. The K1 gives adequate area for your projects, whether you're prototyping, making practical parts, or unleashing your artistic vision. With the K1's high-resolution capabilities, you can achieve beautiful detail in your prints. Intricate patterns and fine textures are brought to life with accuracy, guaranteeing that your 3D prints exceed the highest standards. The Creality K1 has a sturdy frame construction, which provides stability and longevity during the printing process. This assures consistent and trustworthy outcomes over time. The K1's silent stepper motor drivers provide a quiet and unobtrusive printing experience. The low noise level adds to the convenience of operation, whether you're printing in a business setting or at home. Navigate through your printing settings quickly with the user-friendly touchscreen interface. The K1 simplifies the printing process, making it accessible to both novice and experienced users. Number 4. Bambu Lab i1 Mini. The Bambu Lab i1 Mini is a small but capable 3D printer for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals looking for precision and portability. The A1 Mini's tiny size makes it a great solution for individuals with limited space. This feature-rich printer is engineered to produce exceptional print quality while preserving user-friendly operation. Despite its small size, it does not sacrifice performance, allowing you to enjoy high-quality 3D printing without losing space. With the A1 Mini's high-resolution printing capabilities, you can experience intricate details and smooth surfaces. This printer delivers precision with every layer, whether you're generating prototypes, detailed models, or practical parts. The A1 Mini's intuitive user interface streamlines the 3D printing process. Even inexperienced users can manage the printer with ease thanks to user-friendly controls and a simple setup. The A1 Mini is built to last, with a strong structure that improves stability during the printing process. This assures consistent and dependable results print after print. The A1 Mini supports a variety of filament materials, allowing you to experiment with different possibilities for your projects. Adapt the printer to your unique printing demands, from regular PLA to flexible TPU. Enjoy a quiet printing environment with the A1 Mini. Its quiet operation allows you to concentrate on your work without being distracted by background noises. The A1 Mini's auto bed leveling feature saves you time and effort. With wireless connectivity options, you may get excellent bed adhesion and print uniformity without the need for manual changes. The A1 Mini allows you to remotely manage and monitor your prints, giving you more freedom in your workflow. Highlight the printer's print speed and maximum print volume capacity. This information is critical for users who want to optimize their process and make larger prints. Mention whether the A1 Mini supports multi-material printing. It enables users to test several materials in a single print job, broadening the range of applications. An enclosed build chamber is useful for managing temperature and lowering the likelihood of warping, especially when dealing with certain filament materials. If the A1 Mini has this feature, emphasize how convenient it makes the user experience. If the printer has a touchscreen interface, emphasize how convenient it makes the user experience. Touchscreens make it easier to navigate settings and provide a more intuitive control experience. Mention this versatility if the A1 Mini is compatible with third-party slicing software or has an open-source design, since it allows customers to choose the tools that best suit their needs. Include information on the manufacturer's customer service as well as whether there is an active community or forum where customers may discuss their experiences and troubleshooting advice. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 Southeast. The Creality Ender 3v3 Southeast is an example of low-cost, high-performance 3D printing technology. This 3D printer, designed for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts, delivers remarkable precision, adaptability, and ease of use. Unleash your imagination with a big printing volume that allows you to bring your larger-than-life ideas to life. The Ender 3v3 Southeast has plenty of area for printing a variety of projects. The V-slot profile and sturdy frame structure improve stability and longevity. Say goodbye to noisy 3D printing sessions. The Ender 3v3 Southeast features silent stepper motor drivers, which reduce noise levels and provide a quieter printing experience without sacrificing performance. You'll never have to worry about interrupted prints due to power failures again. The resume printing function allows the printer to pick up where it left off, assuring the successful completion of your creations. The flexible and removable build surface makes it simple to remove finished prints. This innovation not only makes print removal easier, but it also makes bed leveling and maintenance easier. The Ender 3v3 Southeast is easy to assemble, making it a good choice for individuals new to 3D printing. Follow the step-by-step instructions and you'll be printing your creations in no time. The upgraded Houghton and Bowden extruder provide improved extrusion and filament control, resulting in smoother and more consistent prints. The user-friendly touchscreen interface provides intuitive control over the printer's settings, making it easy to navigate through options and customize your printing experience. The Creality Ender 3v3 Southeast is a 3D printing standout, providing fans and professionals alike with an unrivaled combination of precision, dependability, and affordability. With this feature-rich 3D printer, you can dive into the world of boundless imagination. The Ender 3v3 Southeast has a carborundum glass bed, which is noted for its remarkable adhesive properties and quick heating capabilities. Say goodbye to deformed prints and hello to a consistent, high-quality printing surface. The direct drive extruder provides improved filament management and a wider variety of material compatibility. This improvement allows for more precise and reliable extrusion, especially when dealing with flexible filaments. The TMC 2208 silent stepper motors provide a tranquil printing environment. These drivers greatly minimize noise during operation, making the Ender 3v3 Southeast a good choice for home and office environments. The included BL-Touch Auto Bed Leveling Sensor ensures perfect initial layers every time. This function guarantees that the print bed is exactly leveled, removing the need for human adjustments and increasing print success rates. Number 2. SOVO SV07. The SOVO SV07 is a cutting-edge 3D printer that combines precision engineering with user-friendly features to provide amazing printing experiences. This printer, developed for both enthusiasts and professionals, is intended to push the frontiers of creativity with its powerful capabilities. The SOVO SV07 has a high build volume, which allows for the creation of huge, complicated 3D prints. The SV07's broad build surface accommodates to different printing demands, whether you're prototyping, making functional parts, or indulging in artistic endeavors. The direct drive extrusion technology provides greater filament control and improved print quality. This design allows for more precise and consistent filament feed, making it appropriate for a wide range of filament types, including flexible materials. Say goodbye to manual bed leveling issues. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono M5s. Anycubic's newest resin 3D printer offers astonishing resolution, rapid speed, and auto bed leveling, making it a delight to us. Yes, there are 11,530 pixels on the x-axis. Anycubic claims it is 3 times faster than standard printers, with an average print speed of 105 mm/hour. The machine printed a 3.5-inch tall figure in about an hour during testing. It's the first self-leveling resin printer we've seen, and it calculates its own level using a mix of sensors and hidden springs. As anyone who has ever set up a resin printer with an Allen key and a sheet of paper knows, this is a really wonderful feature. To complement this printer, Anycubic has created a new ultra-thin high-speed resin. Even if you stick to conventional resin, The special release film attached to the bottom of the vat will result in amazingly quick prints. Because the film is fragile, it will not survive as long as standard FEP, lasting only about 30,000 liters. Guys, there concludes our top 5 best 3D printers of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.